You've heard of apples keeping the doctor away, but did you know there are fruits that can actually help destroy cancer cells? One of them looks like an alien egg, another might be growing in your backyard. The third? You probably walk past it at the store without a second glance. In this video, we'll uncover 3 powerful fruits with real science behind their anti-cancer abilities, backed by compounds that interrupt tumor growth, protect your cells, and support your immune system. We're not talking about vague superfoods here. These are real, accessible fruits with proven mechanisms that go after cancer from the inside. Whether you're looking to prevent cancer, support recovery, or just want to eat with intention, this is for you. And no, they're not berries, citrus, or the usual suspects. Prepare to be surprised. On this channel, we make evidence-backed videos about women's health, hormones, healing foods, and the science behind what your body really needs, without the fluff or fear. If that's something you care about, tap the like button and hit subscribe. It really helps this content reach more people like you who are ready to take their health seriously, but gently. Now, let's get into the 3 fruits you've probably never heard of that are working behind the scenes to help destroy cancer cells. Okay, let's first dive into number 1, soursop, graviola. This spiky green tropical fruit might look intimidating, but soursop is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting cancer. Also known as graviola, it grows in warm climates like the Caribbean, parts of Africa, and Southeast Asia. You can find it fresh in tropical markets, or as frozen pulp, tea, or capsules in health stores and online. It's slightly sweet, custard-like, and incredibly rich in anti-cancer compounds. The key cancer-fighting compounds in soursop are acetogenins, a group of phytochemicals that have shown the ability to inhibit the energy production in cancer cells. These acetogenins selectively target cancer cell mitochondria, the part of the cell that makes energy, without damaging healthy cells. Studies have shown promising results against breast, pancreatic, and colon cancer cells in lab settings. This selective toxicity is one reason researchers are so interested in its potential. Soursop is also high in antioxidants like vitamin C and phytosterols, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 drivers of cancer development. Its leaf extracts have been studied in cancer prevention models for their ability to suppress tumor growth pathways. Although more human trials are needed, the cellular research is hard to ignore. One study found graviola extracts could reduce tumor size by over 50% in certain breast cancer models. But here's the key. This fruit doesn't work alone. It complements a healthy immune system and amplifies the effects of other treatments. That makes it a gentle, supportive food, especially when eaten as part of a whole food diet. Try blending the pulp into smoothies or steeping the leaves as tea, if safe and directed. Always source organic and avoid seeds, which may be toxic in large amounts. This fruit is a beautiful example of nature, targeting what doesn't belong without harming what does. Soursop is bold, strong, and protective, just like your body when it's given the right tools. Let's go to number 2, black sapote, aka chocolate pudding fruit. A fruit that looks like a green tomato on the outside but transforms into chocolate pudding on the inside. Literally. It's called black sapote, and beneath its dark, creamy flesh lies a surprising ally in cancer prevention. Native to Central America, you'll find this fruit in specialty grocers, tropical produce markets, or imported as frozen pulp. It's sweet, smooth, and actually used as a dessert in many cultures. But here's why black sapote makes this list. It's a rich source of flavonoids, particularly quercetin and camphorol, which are known to suppress cancer cell proliferation. These compounds work by interrupting key signals that cancer cells use to grow, replicate, and spread. Flavonoids have also been shown to induce apoptosis. That's the body's natural process of clearing out unhealthy or mutated cells. In simple terms, they help your body say goodbye to the cells that don't serve you anymore. Black sapote is also low in fat and sugar, but high in vitamin C, making it a great antioxidant-rich choice. Its unique fiber profile supports gut health, and as we know, a healthy gut plays a major role in regulating immunity and inflammation. Early research shows that flavonoids in this fruit reduce tumor-promoting enzymes and may even make certain cancer cells more sensitive to treatment. That's a big deal, especially when paired with conventional therapies. You can eat it raw, chilled, or mashed into oats, smoothies, or even a healthy mousse. It's typically in season from late fall to early spring in tropical regions. Because it's lesser known, ask local farmers or specialty produce shops about sourcing it. It's worth the hunt. Black sapote shows us that cancer-fighting foods don't have to be bitter, exotic, or hard to enjoy. They can be comforting, creamy, and unexpectedly delicious. This fruit proves that pleasure and protection can go hand in hand. The third one is Musketine grapes. Our final fruit isn't your everyday table grape. Musketine grapes are native to the southeastern U.S. and pack a serious punch when it comes to cancer-fighting power. You can find them fresh in season, late summer to early fall, or as juice, extract, or powder year-round. Look for the dark-skinned variety. They're loaded with polyphenols. What makes Musketine grapes stand out is their resveratrol content, up to 6 times more than standard grapes. Resveratrol is a compound linked to reduced tumor growth, especially in cancers of the breast, colon, and prostate. It works by blocking pathways that tumors use to develop blood vessels, a process called angiogenesis. Without those blood vessels, tumors can't grow or spread easily. These grapes also contain ellagic acid and anthocyanins, which protect DNA and reduce oxidative damage, key in stopping mutations before they start. Some studies suggest that muscadine extracts can slow the cell cycle of certain cancer lines, effectively halting their progress. And the skin of the grape is where most of this power lives, so eat them whole, seeds and all if possible. Beyond cancer, muscadines support liver detoxification, estrogen balance, and blood sugar stability. This makes them especially helpful for women navigating hormone-driven cancers. And while more human trials are needed, the lab evidence is compelling and hopeful. To enjoy them, wash and eat fresh in season, or buy a no-added sugar juice or powder for year-round use. Pairing them with a fat source like nuts or yogurt may even help absorb more of the good stuff. They're a bit tangy, a bit sweet, and deeply nourishing. Muscadine grapes are proof that some of the most powerful cancer-fighting tools are growing close to home. They remind us that food is medicine when we know what to look for. And sometimes the most healing ingredients come with a little crunch. So there you have it. 3 fruits you might have overlooked, but your body definitely won't. Sour sop, with its fierce cancer-targeting compounds. Black sapote, the creamy dessert fruit that clears away rogue cells. And muscadine grapes, rich in resveratrol and protective antioxidants. Each of these fruits supports your body's own intelligence by reducing inflammation, fighting free radicals, and slowing the mechanisms cancer depends on. They're gentle, potent, and completely natural allies on your wellness path. And the best part? You can start adding them to your routine today in ways that feel nourishing and joyful. Which one surprised you the most? Have you tried any of them before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if this video helped you feel more informed and empowered, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more science-backed, hormone-friendly wellness videos made just for you. And don't forget to share this with someone you love. It might just change how they see their plate. You deserve to feel safe, supported, and strong. Let food remind you of that.
Comment below and share where you are in your journey. Your words could be the reminder someone else needs right now.